So today we are out on the kayak, fishing the Chippewa River, and the setup I have today is a fluke. It's a white fluke with a swivel on it, about 2 feet up. So see if we can't get one over here. There's one. Oh, had one. Bit my fluke off. Hit there. There we go. We're on. Finally. Looks like it's a little northern. Little northern pike. There, dude. Bud. He's in the net. Let's go. We finally got one on one of these points. Hey, chill out, bud. Hey, hey. Just a little guy, but fish is a fish. About a 14, 15-inch northern pike. See ya, buddy. There it goes. Perfect, we got one, finally. All right. Put everything back here. The net back, there we go. Fix my fluke here. Finally, we got one. After 2 bites of fish that got away. Alright, we're sitting in this eddy now, so we're still at this point. We're gonna see if we can't get another fish off this point. Still using just a white fluke and jerking it side to side on these points. Seems like it's kind of producing. Those northerns are just so slimy though. Oh, we're on again. Right off this point. What is this? It's another small northern. It's another like 13, 14-inch northern. Get in the net, bud. And he's in the net. Let's go. That's 2 now. We're gonna get this guy unhooked and back in the water here. All right. There you go. Unhooked himself. maybe 15, 16 inch little northern, so we're gonna get a release on him now. See you, bud. Let's go. 2 fish now. Oh. We're gonna fix that fluke back up and we're gonna make a move. If you're wondering what this kayak is, this is the Three Waters Big Fish 105. And yeah, so far it works pretty good. Stable, you can stand up. Perfect starting fishing kayak. So we came to these bridge pilings and I'm gonna take a few casts at these with a Ned rig. See if we can't get a bite. I doubt it, but yeah, this current is just ripping. I can't get a good cast in there. We're coming up to more of this point looking structure up here. So, bunch of bigger rocks compared to these small rocks. Up here, there's a little bit of slack water. So, thought maybe might be a fish sitting in there. So, I'm gonna take a cast at it. Oh. Got bit there. Right, so we made some lure changes. We got a small swim bait on a jig head, and then we also have a watermelon red wacky worm. And to me, I feel like these fish have been quite small, so I've downsized the swim bait a little bit. And we're gonna see if we can't get some of these. I've lodged myself on top of a rock so we don't drift anywhere. There we go, we're on. We're on. Oh, just a little guy. Just a little smallmouth. Real tiny. And a fish is a fish. Little tiny smallmouth on the little mini swim bait. I'll take it. First smallmouth of the day. See if there ain't any more in here. We're on. Just has a little bit of size. Ooh, another smallmouth. Let's go. Grab the net for this guy. Probably about a pound smallmouth on the mini swim bait. Come here, buddy. He's in the net. Let's go. Drop him down there. Alright. Let's get buddy out of here. Nice. Probably about a pound smallmouth on the mini swim bait. A lot bigger than the other one we had, so let's get a release on this guy. See you, bud. There he goes. Alright, that'll wrap up the video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button. See you later.